you're trying to take these antiderivatives. Sure. Okay, so when we're doing this, we'll have a formal definition sometime, but now we don't, see. What do we need to do? We need to find capital G of t. So we're looking for cap G, but first we need to manipulate this guy. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to call it 1 over root t plus t over root t plus t squared over root t. And then I can simplify all of those there, see? I can call this minus, or t to the minus 1/2. Is that right? Yeah, that's right, because the root can be written with 1/2, and then I could put the negative in the exponent because I'm taking that denominator and I'm putting it up to the numerator with our negative exponent properties. And then this is plus t to the 1 minus 1/2. Is that right? I should make that nicer. Looks exactly the same. Anyways, I'm going to keep on keeping on. Yeah. This is t to the 2 minus 1/2. Same deal. I'm still manipulating that guy. I'm going to call that t to the minus 1/2. And then this is t to the 1/2. I should put the plus in there. And then plus, this is t to the, what's 2 minus 1/2? 3/2. Now I have something that I can take the antiderivative of. Cool beans? The beans are cool. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work with that so that I can find my capital G. I think it's a 9-inch Nails song. He writes his name with a capital G. Okay, so then we're going through here, see? So what? If I'm finding cap G of t, this is going to be t to the minus 1/2 plus 1 over a minus 1/2 plus 1. Because what? I add 1 and I divide by it. Now, that next term, this is going to be plus t to the 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1. I know, some of you guys are tempted to step skips. And when you're ready for it, that's fine. But now you're not. So we're doing it without skipping any steps. So this is t to the 3/2 plus 1 divided by 3/2 plus 1. And then I am going to put that general C. Because we're looking for the antiderivative, this is going to be the mother function of all functions whose derivative is 1 plus t squared divided by root t. All right, some arithmetic happens, and we get t to the 1/2 divided by 1/2. I did fractions right, I think. This is t to the 3/2 over 3/2. And then, I know, first time I saw this stuff, I dropped things too. This is t to the 5/2 over 5/2 plus c. But we aren't going to leave it like that. Oh no. No, no, no. Some of you guys may have heard that rhyme, that hum, that multiplying by the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 unts. So I'm just going to call that 2t to the 1/2 plus 2t to the 3/2 over 3 plus 2t to the 5/2 over 5 plus that general C. Goods? Goods. Oh, how do we want the answer? Well, they gave it to us with roots, so we should probably give it back to them with roots. They gave it to us with 1 fraction, so we should probably give it back with 1 fraction. Silvana has not changed. Not at all. Not at all. Pull a 2. And a 3 and a 5. 30 root t times 1 plus oh shoot. Oh, made you look. Yeah. No, here we go. 5t to the 3rd plus 3t to the 5th. Oh, I'm going to need a denominator of 15 somewhere. 15? No, that's not right. Then I just call that 2. And 15 plus C. I don't know. I just took a stab at it. I guess we should, like, I don't know, make a knife. Because we just took a stab at it. No? Yeah, sure, we'll cut you. Let's take a stab at another one. I don't know, do the algebra. See if you get the same thing I did. Nah. It might. Is that what you get when you simplify? I don't know, maybe we'll revisit it. But right now we're recording, and nobody likes to listen to long videos. So, we're going with this whole capital H thing of theta. We're trying to get that mother function. That derivative is that guy. What's the antiderivative of sine? Minus cosine. You're like, what would I take the derivative of in order to get sine? And you're like, cosine. But it has to be a minus cosine. Minus 2 times the cosine of theta. Check it! Go ahead. Take the derivative of that guy. If I took the derivative of minus 2 cosine, would I get 2 sine? Yeah. What do I take the derivative of to get secant squared? Tangent. The derivative of tangent is secant squared. So the antiderivative is tangent. Boom. And then plus c. And that wasn't bad. Woo! Box and flower.